On this great occasion of the 118th National Day, we stand together as one nation, one people, offering our sincere gratitude to our successive monarchs for their visionary leadership and dedication to preserving Bhutan's sovereignty and unique identity. We pledge to work diligently for the continued peace, prosperity, and happiness of Bhutan.
May this auspicious day bring immense joy, prosperity, and peace to the King and the nation. May his vision for gross national happiness continue to lead and uplift Bhutan to a most peaceful nation.
On this auspicious day, I join my nation in offering our prayers and gratitude.
As young citizens of this blessed kingdom, we pledge to uphold Your Majesty's noble aspirations to learn with purpose, to serve with humility, and to contribute meaningfully to the continued growth and happiness of our beloved country.